I would invite you to consider it as, okay, how long can I be comfortable in my discomfort? Yeah, so it's an invitation to relax into and surrender into laughing at yourself. But like, that sounds kind of absurd in a sense, but I feel like for me, absolutely. If you can just laugh at your own process of feeling like a dork, it de-dorkifies the situation because suddenly you can be a majestic dork, which is beautiful in its own right. And by the way, it's exactly what every single one of us goes through. Like, it feels so personal when we're not getting it. But the reality is it's universal and we all have our moments of it. So I invite you to just be with the discomfort as a game. And this is something you could measure in your flow journal. Okay, how long did it take me to lose my shit in this session versus no, seriously, it's like you can rate yourself because you're the arbiter of your own experience, right? Oh, this one was a 10 because I was just able to like be with it even though I didn't get it the whole time. And in fact, in some ways it's almost better when you have a session where you don't get anything and you just you're like, oh well, that's how it is. That's how practice is. Because like life, that's exactly how it is. I feel like this is such a life practice. It seems like it's just two balls and some string, but I think it can really help us just be with, I mean, life is hard, you know? I mean, you do. You're a human.